Well, hello there. This is Shannon Bowdy with Keller Williams, the Pismo Beach Homes team. I'm outside the Keenan Carter Group's newest listing at 99 Capanna Lane in stunning Pismo Beach. This single-level, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is about 1,800 square feet and is priced at $869,000 with the most stunning ocean views. You want to see the inside? Well, let's go take a look. Look at this beautiful living space with these tall ceilings and all this natural light. I just love this kitchen. Look at all these stone countertops, a Viking oven, built-in refrigerator, plenty of workspace to create all your beautiful meals. Let's take a walk around. Nice laundry room with a built-in sink and built-in cabinets. Look at this bathroom. That backsplash is just gorgeous. Has a skylight to let all the natural light in. This front bedroom has built-ins, tall ceilings, and French doors to enter. Here's another very nice bedroom with a tall private fence right there. And here is the master suite. Look at that. Double closets. Oh, can you imagine waking up to those ocean views? Just beautiful. Here's the master bath. It has a nice shower, beautiful sinks. Let's see where this door takes you to. Oh, the side yard. The tall private fence. Look at the beautiful blooms. Let's go see what's back here. Oh my goodness. Look at this ocean view. Wow. Just gorgeous. Really nice patio area. Here we go, and to the other side. And there's the side patio. Very, very nice. But wow, that's just amazing. White water views. If you would like to book a showing of 99 Capanna Lane in Pismo Beach, give us a call. We can do a live showing or a virtual showing for you. Once again, this is Shannon Bowdy with Keller Williams, the Pismo Beach Homes team. Thank you for watching.